Let's go to P.O Box. It's raining. It's really raining now. Your plant project? Work inside. Good job. Gonna mark the spot where there was a great epic step curb climb. Made it home. So raining now. Let's go wipe your paws, little man. Okay, Cedric, we're home. Let's see what you got. We got some mail and one package. Okay, Cedric, let's open the first letter. It's a beautiful one. It says, please open on YouTube. I chose bees because you wore a bee costume in one of your videos. Okay, this is the letter. It says, Dear Cedric, page 1. I am the biggest fan. I subscribe and I am Sophia. I am 8. I live in England. When I am sad, I watch your You or Lose channel to cheer me up because I get anxiety. And then I instantly start laughing and smiling. Oh, I really love dogs. I don't really like cats. My Pomeranian Papillon passed away on February 3rd, 2022. It's my dream to get another dog, as we now feel ready for a new dog. We are getting a Pomeranian and Chihuahua mix, known as a Pupchi. My mom let me choose a name, and I chose Clover. What do you think? Oh, I think that's a great name, doesn't it, Cedric? It's a really good name. I think Cedric is going to prove it. Cedric says, yes, it's a great name. There's a second page, Cedric. You have to sit back a little. Go backwards. Page 2. Please, can you give me a shout out? Also, Cedric is adorable. I saw your address in the end of one of your videos. I'm going to get your merch for my birthday. Aw, which is May 15th. Oh, happy birthday! Please, film this on YouTube. I have 4 guinea pigs. You're the best. Oh, 4 guinea pigs. That's a lot of animals. I will be writing more fan mail. If you ever get more fan mail under the name Sophia Elise Nathaniel, know that it's me. I am sending you all my love and pup kisses from this letter. Also, where or who did you get Cedric from? Bye. Well, we got Cedric from Estonia, but his mom and dad have now retired. So there's no more Cedrics. But yeah, thank you so much, Sophia. That was a great letter. And happy birthday to you. And Cedric approves the name you chose. Next, we have a little envelope in an envelope. It says, to Cedric from Solovino. Solovino? I hope I pronounced it correctly. Oh, and there's a letter, Cedric. Cedric, you have to backwards. Hello, my name is Solovino, and I'm a Chihuahua mix from California. Cedric. Stop, stop. Stay, little man, stay. You to stay. Stay. From California, I love your singing and videos, and I also love your friend Lou the Chichi. You make my day, Cedric. And can you also open my letter on camera? Yes, of course. Thank you from Solovino to Cedric. Thank you so much, Solovino. Cedric says thank you. And now, the final one is a package. Let's see what's inside, Cedric. Oh, it's a card from Vancouver, British Columbia. Oh, Vancouver looks nice. Never been. Oh, and there's a letter for you, Cedric. Ito pala na ito ka. Ota, Cedric, ota. Dear Cedric, I hope you don't mind that we sent your people a new bag of coffee from our favorite local shop in Vancouver. We also like to start our day with espresso and are happy to say that our own Chihuahua Mart is starting to look good. Oh, congratulations! We wanted to thank you and your people for your videos. We moved from a tropical climate all the way to Vancouver, BC, and didn't know how to help our little dog with the weather. Your winter bag video was perfect. Oh, we're so glad it helped. That's why we made it. We also love seeing your garden tours. We no longer have a garden, so watching you take care of yours makes us smile. Enjoy the rest of your spring. With love, Jenna, Aaron, and Basil. Oh, thank you so much. Let's see what copy they said. Cedric, your humans got something. We asked AI to create a poem about Cedric. This is what it wrote. Wow. Okay, let's read the poem, Cedric. Oh, Chihuahua Cedric, how brave and bold you are to venture into the backyard where dangers lurk afar. You faced the fearsome butterfly with wings of many hues. You chased with it your mighty bark and made it flee in blues. Oh, Chihuahua Cedric, how clever and cunning you are to cross the dandelion bridge where fairies grant the star. You leaped from flower to flower with grace and skill unmatched. You reached the other side in time and left the bridge unscratched. Oh, Chihuahua Cedric, how loyal and loving you are to return to your cozy home where treats and toys await. You ran with joy and speed and made it through the gate. You nestled in your nest of fluff and dreamed of your next date. That's a wonderful poem. Thank you, AI. Cedric, you got an AI poem. Wow. And let's see the copy. Oh, there's little chihuahuas. Cedric wants another poem. And this is for your human, Cedric. It's the copy. It's called, it's from a place called Milano Blend Adagio with notes of almond, blueberry, and toasted marshmallow. Oh, that sounds so nice. West Coast Heart, Italian Soul. Oh, 3 generations of Italian heritage blended with West Coast coffee culture. This is amazing. Thank you so much. We're going to use it in our next morning story video. I make the coffee in it and tell you how it tasted. Thank you so much. It's wonderful. Okay, Cedric, I think it's time for you to pack up a little more. Pack up. Do please. Stay. Thank you so much, everyone. This was a great mail day. Cedric says thank you, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.